Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be helping those who have forgot their Airtel line, any line PUK. Even if you have it, even if you don't have it, even if it is in your phone, even if it is not in your phone, you are going to be just helped for free. If you are a new viewer to this, YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and if you are a returning subscriber, I request you to like the video, and if you get any problem, just comment. So this video is for information and education purposes only, so users must first read the network service providers terms and conditions before continuing to this tutorial. So let us head over to the dialpad or the phone application, this one right here, and then you're going to be checking our PUK of a desired phone number. This usually happens when you leave a phone home and those young children start playing with it and it is locked, and they request you for a PUK. I recommend you guys to be doing this. If they ask you a PUK and you don't have your PUK code, just breathe in then out, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then do this: star 100 star 10 star 2 hash. Make sure that you have an Airtel line in your mobile device. Whether you have a Mapensa phone, whether you have a smartphone, this code will be working for you. But you must have an Airtel line, even if it is the one that you want to require for the PUK, even if it is not the one, even if it is for your mother, girlfriend, boyfriend, and others. Just dial that and then call. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this with your friend, then enter the number you want to check the PUK for. Then it is 0. For example, I want to check my PUK for example, I have a friend I want to check the PUK for. This line has been locked. Please enter in that mobile number 0701 23 23 23. And after press the send button. Don't forget to subscribe. They will give you the PUK for that number, PUK1, and then you can be checking for other numbers, star 100 star 10 star 02, or you are free to cram this code in your head, provided that you have 1 terabyte in your brains. You can cram, and then you can check for your ID master at school, 45, 67, and 89. They'll be bringing you PUK codes so that you can be unlocking your locked Airtel line. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. I sign out.